Now, given that 4.2 cm on the map represents an actual distance of 3 kilometers. Now, if a road has an actual distance of 20 kilometer, we want to calculate the length on the map. So how we go about doing this is usually we will write down the two columns, one for the map ratio and one for the actual. Okay, and after which, just give me a sec. Okay, so we know that 4.2 cm, remember to write down the word cm, it's very important because the units are different, represents 3 kilometer. So if we do the unitary method, we have to divide by 3 on both sides. 1.4 cm on the map represents 1 kilometer on the actual road. Now, if I want to find out how much 20 kilometer represent, I simply multiply by 20. Then I'll know that if I multiply by 20 on both sides, then this will give me 28 cm. Okay, so for part A, the answer, the length on the map is none other than length of the road on the map would be equals to 28 cm. Okay, so let's look at part B. The park is represented by an area of 3.43 cm square. So from here, calculate the actual area of the park in square kilometers. Now, from earlier, we know that if we want to have, we have the linear ratio, and if we want to get the area ratio, what I want to do is to find, maybe put this down to 1 first. Right? So first, let's push this down to a linear ratio of 1. And this will give us probably 20 over 28. 20 over 28 kilometers. Right, because I divide by 28 on both sides. Alright, let's simplify 20 over 28. This is the same as 5 over 7. Meaning that if I were to square both sides to get the area ratio, square both sides, because I want to get the area ratio, then 1 cm square on the map will represent 5 over 7 kilometer bracket square on the actual ground, which turns out to be 25 over 49 kilometer square. Okay, so 1 cm square area ratio, in terms of the area ratio on the map, represents 25 over 49 kilometer square on the actual road. The park, sorry, not road. Okay, so multiply this by 3.43. Since I know that the park represents 3.43 cm square. I take 25 over 29 and square the answer and multiply by 3.43. This gives me the answer to be 7 over 4 kilometers square. And this will be my answer. Right, so the actual area for part B in square kilometers will be 7 over 4, or aka 1.75 kilometers square. Thank you.